Right, you ready for this? Look at that. Hey, look at that bad boy. It's absolutely full of pinkies. Well, it's absolutely stunning day. There's a boat over there. We're in 6.3 meters of water. And look at that. Happy days. Let's get you back in the phone holder. Oh, can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, I'm gonna get the plastic down to the bottom. Yeah. Oh no. Yep. Got you, you little dog. Woohoo! Up to Papa. Oh, I did a catch and release. That was the biggest one so far. Use the net. Why did I not use the net? Right, let's get the net out. What's a dum-dum? That was the biggest one and I just lost it. Oh, you get an angle. So my mate got me this net, it's a really big net, and I couldn't stop laughing. I said, why have you got me such a big net? Because the last net I had was a kayak net and it was tiny. Anyway, since he got me this, we've been catching better fish. See? Don't have low expectations. Aim high, your fish are bigger. Oh, there we go. Let's get the tank on in a sec. Jesus, oh! Concentrate on one rod. Oh. We're going straight down. Sunshade's amazing, look what's sand here. Comes back out. Amazing colour. How are you? Get on me bait, you little snipers. Greedy things. Right, let's try again. I'll get back to you when we're on.